Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use motion tracking or camera tracking or whatever. So select your video and scroll down. There's camera tracking and there's AI movement. For instance, you want to track this person's hand. You're just going to press that and you're going to select start and wait for it to process. You also have AI movement, but you can only use this like separately. You can, but like you do have to like export it first. And this is just going to track the hand a little bit. So processing, it does depend on how long your video duration is as well. So just keep that in mind. And later, once it's done, I'm going to just crop this out because I really don't like this area to be like blank. I'm just going to zoom it in and make the canvas very full. Man, how long is this video? Okay. Here, I'm just going to select fit to canvas. I know it's going to zoom in a lot, but you're going to do that. You can also, no, I do have to fit to canvas to do that. And that is pretty much it. You can adjust the shake here as well, if you'd like to. And also there is like this AI movement, which is a little bit different, but for instance, you want this dynamic one. It's going to add more movement to the video. But that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!